Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Montenegro, and the link and coupon will be in the description, alright? And let's go. Step 1, and open description and click on link Wi-Fi eSim and open wifi.com and click on this and write Mon, alright? And scroll down and choose a fixed data plan 1 GB or 3 GB a week. And click on buy it now. This service number 1 for eSim, and click on discount code and write ROAM tips. Click on apply. Alright, $1.20, this is good, and click on Google Pay and buy eSim, or write email, write payment and write billing address, and click on buy now and buy eSim. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.